Want to unlock awesome rewards and discounts simply by sharing the power of KalAI with your friends? Let's dive into how you can use KalAI referral codes to do just that. First, head over to the KalAI website and make sure you're logged into your account. Find your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Referral Program. Go ahead and select it to access your unique referral code and tracking information. Now, you'll see your personal referral code displayed prominently on the screen. This is the magic key to earning rewards. You'll also likely see various sharing options, like sharing directly to social media platforms or copying the referral link. Copy your referral link or code. Then share it with your friends and family via text message, email, social media, or however you prefer. Be sure to emphasize the benefits of KalAI to encourage them to sign up. When someone signs up for KalAI using your referral code, they'll typically receive a welcome bonus or discount on their subscription. It's a win-win. As your friends subscribe, you'll start accumulating referral rewards in your KalAI account. These rewards could be discounts on your next subscription, extra storage space, or other exciting perks. Just remember to log in, find your referral program, copy and share your code, and then watch the rewards roll in. Start sharing the power of KalAI and unlock those sweet benefits today.